Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to save Filmora project as a video. You can save it on whatever type of video file you want, MP4, FLV, and etc. So, first of all, what I need you guys to do is to go and open your Wondershare Filmora. And the most important part to be able to export any kind of project as a video is make sure that you are logged in. So go here and check if your account is logged in and everything is good. So after you're done with this part, let's go ahead and create a new project. So just like so, this is our project. Let's go ahead and drag some kind of a video or whatever the thing will be. So let's try this video test and let's drag it somewhere in here. Now let's keep it high quality and etc. Let's make some edit. We don't need actually to make some editing, but let's make something new to it. So let's add a text, for example. So I will be adding a text here. And if I came here, I will see this text. So let's name it something high, YouTube. And this one, tutorial. So now after I'm done with that, what I'm going to do basically is after you edited everything and you've done everything correctly, again, make sure that your account is connected. So after that, you go to export in here. Now here, there's multiple options that will appear. There is to export it in your local device, so which will be MP4, WMV. There is multiple options that you can choose through. Make sure that you are on this preset. If you want to make a custom preset, you can make it. Make sure that you have made the folder that you are going to save it into it. The quality, make sure that you are choosing the highest one, and the resolution frame rate, again, the highest one. So after you finish with that, you can go ahead. Let me go make it lower so I can like make it render in a couple seconds. So it won't take that long for me. Okay, so I will make it lower and now I click on export. Very simple. So now I export it with watermark because I have the free version. So as you can see now, it is exporting on my PC. So as you can see, it will not take that much. There is multiple option again, like you can export it to your phone, to your like devices. It depends on what device you want. Smart TV, PSP, PlayStation. There is directly to YouTube, directly to TikTok, directly to VMO and DVD. So yeah, guys, you can go through all of these and select whatever option that will fit you the best. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.